All right, boys and girls, we're going to go take our first ride of the year on the Berg, the mighty Burgman. We're probably just going to go take a blast on 993 just to open it up a little, you know, get it running up to, 50 miles an hour for a couple of minutes at least, so. It's kind of windy. I think we're getting a storm, but no, we're gonna go get this done. Something cold and wet just hit me in the neck, so I had to check what it was. I was hoping it wasn't from a pigeon, but I think it was something off that bridge right there. Some drop of water fell through and got me. What are we doing over here? Okay. Look like the brightness is turned up too much on that speedometer. It looks kind of dull to me. The thing about these phones, and I noticed this with my iPhone, I always set the brightness to the max, right? To the max brightness, I always do. And it'll stay there for a while. And then every once in a while, it'll just go back and revert to, the medium, energy saving, green, all that garbage. Just leave the damn thing alone, Probably on the updates, it probably reverts it back to, I don't see a setting in there for it, so I'm just going to assume it's just the cheap-ass phone. Okay, we're going to go with that assumption, right? That's what I'm going to go with. So I tried this phone. I found it. It was a real nice Android phone, but it just doesn't have the nits that the iPhone has. So we're going to, after today, we'll go back to the iPhone. It has the better nits. This Burgman, like I said before, it really does handle a lot better. And steer a lot better when you overinflate the tires, especially the front tire. I don't know if this speedometer app is picking up the GPS very good, to be honest, because a couple of seconds ago there it said I was doing 25, and I know I was at least going 30 or more. So we'll see when we get out here on this. But I'm not going to use the app anymore anyway, or I'm not going to use that phone for this. I'll just go back to the iPhone. The iPhones are just superior for doing things, certain stuff, right? You know, the iPhones, you can't hack into them or nothing. You can't do side loading for the most part unless you jailbreak them. But they just run so much more reliably than Android phones. They just do. I mean, you know, people can sit there and argue that all day. People have their preferences. I get it, you know. But you just cannot deny the ecosystem and the reliability of these iPhones. I mean, it's without question. The apps always run so much better. I mean, they just run better. Getting blown all over the place. Wow. They finally knocked down that mountain. I didn't think it was ever going to happen, to be honest. I am going to go back now. boys and girls, we made it home, right? That's the main thing. The main thing is that we made it back home. Yeah. So I'll ditch this camera, or I'll ditch this phone here. And that'll be that. Okay, so all right, yeah, it ran great, man. Everything's perfect. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.